Okay, how we doing out there? First things first, my name is Kenneth Bird. I'm the creator of a Luminous 4K screen paint using ambient light rejection technology gain times 2 and 3. This right here is our bedroom sheet blackout cloth fixed frame projection screen coated with our Luminous ambient light rejection Eclipse cinema. Now, keep in mind the first demonstration I did, I actually painted the screen. You weren't supposed to see that. I actually painted the screen, showing how easy it was to paint the screen on any surface. The second demonstration, I showed you what the screen looks like when it's dry, and now we have it hanging up with our 600 watts of floodlight, including the lights up in the ceiling, lights in the environment, just to show you how amazing this technology looks. And like I said, we don't light dodge. You won't see our screen sitting low to the floor, underneath a window. You won't see any of that. You'll see the light directly on the screen. That's why I'm blocking the projector, to show you how much physical light is in contact with the screen at all times. So let me remove this right now, move my body, and start the demonstration so I can show you exactly how amazing our technology is in a fully lit environment. And that's the reason why we do these extreme demonstrations, is to show you that even with this much light hitting the screen, your everyday environment is a cakewalk. So when we do demonstrations like this, we're not going to put our screens in a comfortable environment, like sit in them low, where actually they sit behind the back of a window. We're not going to do demonstrations like that. We're going to put direct light on the screen right from the door. And in this demonstration, I'm not going to turn the lights out at any given time whatsoever. And that's one of the things I like about this environment. It's constantly bright, plenty of light in here, nice bright white walls. That's what I want. I'm not going to put it on a small screen, stick it behind, just stick it down low, where actually there's no window light actually hitting the screen, or no real physical light hitting the screen. That's why I show you the LED lights, actually not the LED lights, but the high powered floodlights, and I'll basically stand in front of the projector showing you how much light is actually in contact with the screen at all times. Come over here real quick. Now this screen was made using a tan bed sheet, which I have right over here. This is a tan bed sheet that I use to make my screen. I actually did it with one coat. If you're curious to see what it looks like, the demonstration, I'll show you the me painting the screen. I'll show the demonstration with the screen already dried, and then we have the demonstration here where I'm showing the screen ambient light rejection technology. I'm showing you where my projector sits back. My projector sits back 12 feet back. You can see how much light we have in the environment. For the screen to easily pull up an image with no problem. Now, some people may consider this to be extreme lighting, abnormal lighting. This is lighting that's necessary because it shows exactly how much ambient light the screens can take in. And this is the reason why we get contracts from commercial properties, because the bottom line is they're using a ton of ambient light in those environments. It has to be able to show that the screen can perform. Now I'm going to come over here. We do the angle gain on the screen. And that's what I'm going to show you when I do the demonstration. I'm going to show you how far the projector is sitting back, because in some demonstrations, if they don't show exactly where the projector is sitting, you don't know how close the projector is sitting on the screen. And keep in mind, this is the same black technology that I have upstairs in my living room at 146 inches. So I'm not going to have it on a small screen and then just keep it on a small screen. You'll see it on a larger screen also too. I'll share some links at the bottom of my demonstrations where you can see the screen on the giant screen upstairs. But just look at that. Alright, let's grab a night scene. I've done these ones already. I've done these particular videos already, but I'm doing them again just for this particular demonstration. Again, to show you that there's no change in it whatsoever. And keep in mind, see where the top of my screen is at? It's right along the edge where the light is hitting the screen. You see how well lit this area is? There's no dark spots, no shadows, nothing. With the contrast levels, now this screen right here is about 85 inches at 235.1. Alright, just in case if my time runs out here, I'm Kenneth Bird from Luminous 4K Screen Paint using ambient light rejection technology gain times 2 and 3. I'd like to thank you for your time. Sorry I had the camera there on a slant a little bit, I do apologize. Looking through my videos right now. Over here looking through videos. So that way you don't think I just got the camera on a slant just for the sake of it all. Now keep in mind, you're not going to have this much lighting hitting your screen, but just to show you how much light the screen can take in without washing out. I'm just showing a little more. I always show a little more after I sign off. I'm always wanting to show you more. See if we can get another video over here. Just looking for another one. I wanted to look for some blue water. Something which I love fish, so just get me wrong, I love fish. Hopefully this space, we got a bit of loading time in there. Let's see if we got, so that played already. There we go. You see, then the color washes out, doesn't become tan. Do one more. So there's my screen with all that light. Look how beautiful that image looks. Alright, I hope you enjoyed the video demonstration. Thank you all for your time. Again, like I said, we had 3 stages to this. We are showing you painting the screen actually dried, showing what the demonstration looks like, and then final demonstration, putting the screen against the wall and hitting it with a ton of ambient light. And yes, I will always show you where the projector is sitting. Right from here, go back over here. My projector sits around 12 feet. So from here to here is about 12 feet from one wall to the next in the shop. I'll show you from any angle we go to, anywhere I go, that screen is going to pull up. Alright, thank you all for your time. You know what? I should show you with the lights out. I don't usually do this, but let's do it for kicks and giggles. I don't need to, but let's just show you for kicks and giggles. What this technology looks like lights out. And keep in mind, my projector is not even 4K. It's 1080. That's not even 1080p. It's 1080i. That's it. It's a WXGA projector. Alright, enough of that. Too easy. That's too easy. Mind you, this is just normal lighting. So this is just normal lighting in the environment. This is how the screen pulls up on normal lighting. And there it is with the floodlights. Alright, thank you all for your time.